Altcoins looking extremely good. As you see, overall, we're watching on the daily right now. Overall, a very green market, even though Bitcoin is consolidating or a little bit dumping. On the weekly, we see Bonk, S Network, Bera, Render, IMX, Crow, a lot of coins which outperforming Bitcoin at the moment. And this is what we see also on the Bitcoin dominance chart. We're watching Bitcoin dominance chart on the weekly, and we are still in this rising channel as you see it here. And I have very good and very or not so good news. So start with the good news is that the Bitcoin dominance is start to falling down. So we have here two support lines where it could fall down. It is this support line, which is exactly this, the first one, which we first was a resistance. You see, we tried to break it, we got rejected, and then we broke it to the upside. And now, in case we are dumping to 60%, this will be very bullish for Bitcoin, for altcoins, because this is the Bitcoin dominance. It means the lower the Bitcoin dominance, the higher the altcoin dominance. So right now, if it dumps to 60%, 40% altcoin dominance, we would have. So this will be very bullish, and we would see more of altcoins in the market would be green. So it looks right now very good. And when I take out this indicator, then you see here that we have also an amazing bullish divergence. Exactly, wait a minute. We have exactly, not a bullish, a bearish divergence. We have it exactly here. You see the RSI is going down, but the chart is going up. You see the price action is going up. So this is called a bearish divergence, and we have a red dot. It means the Bitcoin dominance should dump. And if Bitcoin dominance is dumping, this is bullish for altcoins. So this is a very good news. Then we are watching the total crypto market cap. So all the whole market cap of crypto. And we have here some resistance at $2.8 trillion, as you see it here. We're hitting the resistance right now, and there are obviously two scenarios. Either we break it to the upside and we're heading to $3 trillion, which would be bullish for the overall market and also especially for altcoins if the dominance is falling. In case we're getting rejected, then we would head here to our support line, which was our bull flag here. It was a resistance. It would turn into support line $2.2 trillion. This would be bearish for the whole market. And we would see Bitcoin probably going to our support line, which is of this falling wedge. It's still a bullish pattern, but we would heading to 74, 73K for sure if the Bitcoin dominance is falling down. The total crypto market falling down. So what we see right now, we are watching on the daily, Bitcoin is trying to break the EMA ribbon. You see the EMA ribbon is bullish when this white line is down, then we flipped and now it's bearish. But don't worry, because this is a bullish pattern. Falling wedge is a bullish pattern. Price target, as you know, is $110,000. In case we're getting here rejected, then obviously the price tag will be at around 73K, where we could head. But if we are watching the previous bull market in 2020, 2021, 2022, we had the same. We created the top at 60K approximately. Then we fall down. The EMA ribbon went from bullish into bearish, as you see it here. But as soon as we broke above, this was extremely bullish, and we had another all-time high at 69K approximately. You see, here it flipped. So this is exactly what I'm expecting here. We are closer to the bottom than to the top at the moment. As soon as we manage to break on the daily, the EMA ribbon, this is the sign when we will head at least to $110,000. This is exactly also where all the liquidity is lying. If we are going on the 3 months, for example, then you see here the biggest liquidity is lying at $110,000 or a little bit higher. You see big chunk of liquidity. This is what the market maker chasing. There are a lot of shorts which could get liquidated. We could see cascade liquidation to the upside, a very quick pump to the upside as soon as we break here out of the falling wedge and as soon as we break the EMA ribbon. So this overall looks bullish in the big picture, but in the immediate short term, you know, we will have soon full moon, new moon. In 2 days we have new moon, and usually on new moon we see dump. You see always new moon dump, and after full moon, which was again a pump, it's crazy. I mean, you can watch yourself this indicator. It's a full moon, new moon indicator. Here I show you how it's called. It's moon phase is called, and yeah. So as the probability right now is getting much more in the immediate short term that we see dump to at least between 80K, or in worst case that we see a dump to the support line at around 74K, 75, 74K. But in the big picture, expecting here still that we will break out. So in approximately latest in 3 weeks, 2-3 weeks, I'm expecting in April, mid-April, a massive pump to $110,000. Thank you everyone for watching. Kiss you, and I see you later.